All right, now that we've updated the branding and we've updated our pop-up, I want to do one final thing, and that is updating to a new product screenshot. Now that we've made some product changes, this is great for any type of product refinements and improvements that you make, but just like you want to keep your website updated with new, modern, most up-to-date changes, you want to do the same across all of the various landing pages that you have hopefully built. So let's go in here into our AdWords campaign. And what I'm going to do is first I want to insert this global block. So since this global block has already been inserted on this particular page, you'll see the global blocks tag right here. And this is also the same on all of these other pages that I have for my campaigns, like we've shown in the past. Again, here's my AdWords, my Facebook, and my LinkedIn, and they're all right here. I don't want that product shot because we've made some changes, and so what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to hit Edit Global Block. I'm going to select that, change image, find my new product shot, insert it here, make any type of cropping changes that I want. Just do this, hit Done. That looks pretty good. Maybe I want to move it around a little bit, maybe minimize it a little bit. But now we have this new product screenshot, right? Again, this is what we currently have, and we're about ready to have this one. So let's apply those changes, check to make sure that looks good. Okay, now let's head over to these pages and let's start refreshing. There we go. Our AdWords campaign has been updated. Let's make sure our Facebook page has been updated. There we go. Our Facebook page is updated. And last but not least, our LinkedIn page is about to get updated. And there we go. So just like that, you've seen 3 examples today. A, how to update your branding across many pages using the intro section that I created. 2, how to update your pop-ups across multiple different pages when I've added a pop-up button to my page. And then just now, we showed how to update images when I do product updates. Thanks so much, and good luck building your global blocks.